Welcome back to Financial University. In today's lesson, we're delving deep into the world of technical analysis, and we'll begin by mastering the art of candlestick analysis. Understanding candlesticks is a crucial skill for traders, and today we'll focus on the basics. Candlesticks are essential in trading because they provide valuable information about an asset's price movement during a specific time period. Unlike simple line charts, which lack detail, candlesticks reveal the high, low, open, and close prices. While there are numerous candlestick patterns to explore, we'll start by discussing two critical ones: the hammer and the engulfing pattern. The hammer is a bottom reversal candle with a short body and a long wick. It's typically spotted at potential bottoms. The engulfing is a pattern that occurs when a significant price reversal follows the prior candle's movement. The core concept here is that a candle with a long tail wick represents successful buying at a specific price level, despite substantial selling. A candle with a short body and a long tail wick signifies supply absorption. Conversely, a candle with a long upper wick indicates strong selling pressure. Candlestick patterns and indecision. Candles with both long upper and lower wicks, combined with a short body, indicate market indecision or confusion. This could suggest a potential trend reversal or serve as a warning sign of an approaching trend change. Identifying supply and demand zones. Before diving into anything else, it's essential to master the art of identifying supply and demand zones on a chart. These zones differ from traditional support and resistance levels and provide a high probability of trading entry. Using candlesticks to find demand and supply zones. Candlesticks are not just for understanding price momentum but also for identifying supply and demand zones. These zones offer multiple entry triggers, enhancing the odds of a profitable trade. Finding supply and demand pressure using candlesticks. Candlesticks with long tail wicks, about 2-3 times the body size, indicate that they've overcome a significant supply zone, suggesting a bullish trend. Traders can look for safe long entries in such cases, considering a candle with a long tail, bouncing off a previous resistance turn support, a price break above resistance. Conversely, candles with long overhead wicks suggest bearish trends. Look for signs of a trend reversal. Candles with long overhead wicks, previous supply breaks, a confirmation of reversal. Confirmation and retest. In trading, a confirmation is a positive signal for an entry. For example, if a bullish candle appears, a safe entry with confirmation would be when the next candle's price surpasses the highest point of the bullish candle. A retest occurs when a price breaks a resistance, returns to the resistance turn support point, and establishes that the resistance has transformed into support for the price structure. Short entry after a supply zone. To find a short entry after a supply zone, identify a long overhead wick candles. Wait for them to close at the same level. Find new support. Wait for support to break. Wait for the support to turn into resistance. Enter a short trade upon confirmation. Conclusion. Candlestick analysis, when mastered, becomes a highly useful tool for identifying high-probability entry zones in trading. Remember, supply and demand zones are not entry triggers but areas of interest for profitable trades. Concentrate on what the candlesticks reveal about demand and supply dynamics, and keep an eye on trend identification. Thank you for watching Financial University. This is just the beginning, and we'll dive deeper in the upcoming lessons. Revisit this tutorial and practice identifying zones on historical charts. Don't worry too much about finding entry points just yet. That's a topic for our future lessons. If you have any questions or need clarification, we're here to help. Stay tuned for more valuable trading lessons from Financial University.